Do you clean mold, hard stains, or old grout marks?
Yes, we regularly remove surface mold, hard water stains, and old grout discoloration as part of our presale bathroom and wet area cleaning. Our cleaning includes mold removal on tiles, walls, silicone, and around windows, grout deep scrubbing, non-invasive, no bleach damage, glass polish on shower screens and mirrors, lifting soap scum, lime, and mineral deposits. We do not offer invasive mold remediation, e.g. under floorboards or inside walls, but we can make most visible mold and marks disappear or dramatically improve their appearance for sale. Buyers are turned off by mildew and old stains, and we make sure your bathrooms and kitchens feel bright, fresh, and healthy. It's one of the fastest ways to increase perceived hygiene and presentation value.